How to combine videos in iPhone. First up, open up the App Store in your iPhone devices and click on the search icon. Here, type in InShot in the search bar and then click on the first option, that is InShot Video Editor. Download the app and then open it. Here you can see an option called Video. Click on the video and choose the videos you want to combine. After that, as you can see, you have many options to split, delete, and also rearrange the videos. After you are done combining, click on the top right share icon, and as you can see, you have options to alter the resolution, frame rate, and format as well. Click on save after clicking on your desired settings, and then you have to wait for a few seconds until your video is exported to your gallery. After the video is combined, you can directly access the video in your gallery. And this is how you can easily combine your videos together on iPhone. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.